Carl.
This.
A fancy feast.
Come on, bro. It's not that bad being a chicken.
Can you just hold it? There we go. Thanks, bud.
Oh my god. Hi, pretty girl. Hey.
No. No! No!
Another Kim.
Good job.
I'm falling slowly in love with
Look at this.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make
Be at home that Santa gave you a few weeks ago. Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
It's really on the heights, guys. Procurator is very.
Shut. This is Henry. Say hi.
Oh, nonsense. What did you do?
Oh my. Oh shit.
Christmas tree, let the Christmas.
Told you. I will fuck you up. I know where the fuck you live.
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
So I've been stuck on the toilet for at least 5 minutes now.
Stop it.
Other round, and then they keep each other company when you're at work.
Why?
Shut
Got lots of hot dogs.
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature?
We'll do some caroling.
Please. Oh my god.
Rufus, what are you doing?
It's not open to...
Oh shit.
Pippin, no! Stop it!
Dimitri could have died, but that's the fucking doing business, right?
You spicy? fancy feast.
Get up right now, Oscar.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Me five? Yes, good girl.
What?
Meow, 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 meow. ¡Hey! ¡Hey!
No es ni mi gato, es de mi amigo.
Come on.
Bro, I can't even take a deuce in peas, bro.
3 Minneapolis beaches.
So I got this big box from Amazon. Cat's over here.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
All right, we're gonna get dressed.
Oh, Michael, Michael!
Hi.
ได้เหรอสงสัยอะไรมีการเคลียร์เปิดไม่ได้ติดลิฟต์เปิดไม่ได้ติดลิฟต์
ชื่อคุณศักดิ์ชัยอยู่ที่กันทรลักษณ์ศรีสะเกษค่ะทราบข่าวว่าทหารกัมพูชายิงลูกระเบิดเข้ามาใส่ทางผ่านแล้วก็รู้สึก
ทำอะไรคะ
แล้วมองว่ากัมพูชาควรจะให้ไทย
3 ตัวเลยตู่อันนี้ขึ้นไปทำอะไรบนหัวเขาอ่ะบนหลังเขาเนี่ย
ลงมาจากไหนฉันก็ไม่รู้แต่ทำให้ใจฉันมันหวานมันไหว